This is the man I have dubbed Jamaica's most professional cop, Corporal Kevin Grey, 2019 Lasco Top Cop of the Year Finalist.
I am Kevin Grey Corporal, stationed at Anatole Police Station, St. Mary. I became a member of the Jamaica Constable Force in 2002. All my life, I wanted to be a public servant. I started the six-a-side football competition. I was told by my peers and colleagues and residents that, you know what, Mr. Grey, it's going to be very tough for you to do a competition in that community because the people there are indisciplined. However, I did not listen to naysayers. In 2017 August, I started the football competition. If I win the Lasco Top Cup 2018-2019, this will put me on the national platform to showcase what hard work can do. Personally for me, Lasco product, one of the cheapest. And for me and my son, oh my God, Daddy, make sure they get one of the big Lasco.
You can vote by liking the video of Corporal Grey posted on Lasco's Facebook page. The link is provided in the description down below. Voting closes at 9 p.m. on May 23rd, 2019. Remember, only likes on the video posted by Lasco on the Lasco Facebook page will be considered as votes. So, please cast your vote now for the smooth operator.
Quickly, don't waste time, driver. Are you going on the other side? Driver, move the car now. Come on, don't waste time.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.